Welcome to another video, guys. As you see, we're in the kitchen. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Usually food challenges and whatnot, but today we're going to be making our own Chinese buffet. Before we get started, I guess you're wondering what's on the menu tonight. So we've got sesame prawn toast, vegetable spring rolls, plain chow mein, egg fried rice, and salt and pepper chicken. So let's get started.
Hey guys, so to start off we're going to be making the prawn toast. So we're mixing in some prawns with some corn flour and an egg, and then we're going to blend that up into a paste so we can spread it onto the bread.
See, I don't know you at all, but I'm about it. If you bout it,
Prawns have been blended, now it is time to spread it onto the bread.
'cause I'm about it. If you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly, I swear.
Now the paste is spread evenly on the bread, we're going to dip it into some sesame seeds and then put it aside to fry later. It's going to be a lot of jumping between meals here, but I'm now prepping the spring roll fillings, so I'm finally chopping up some cabbage, and then I'm cutting up some spring onion.
Excuse like you ain't got no time for me, as if that shit was true. Just tell me how it is, how you want it. If you're down, want a summit, I got plans and you're one of them. Not trying to pretend. See, I don't know you at all.
And then finally I am adding some carrot peel.
If you're involved, 'cause I'm about it. If you bout it, yeah. Don't act like you are doing a favor, but honestly I swear you're my savior, girl, and I don't know.
Now we're heating up a pan with groundnut oil. Everything is fried in groundnut oil, and we're going to put in the spring roll mixture and just fry that off. Add in some bean sprouts, and then season with some white pepper and a little bit of salt, and then put that aside for when we're going to make up the spring rolls. Finally, we're just going to drizzle a little bit of sesame oil on and mix it all together. Okay, time to boil the noodles for the chow mein. Now we're going to again heat up a wok with some groundnut oil. Fry some bean sprouts off.
If you bout it, don't give a fuck. If you're involved,
Season them with some white pepper, some salt, and a pinch of sugar.
don't act like you are doing a favor.
Add the noodles in, fry them off. Add in some spring onions. Season them with some dark soy sauce.
First, never put you second, girl. Don't be stressing. I forgot to mention I'm bad about it. Don't be offended. I fucks with you 'cause you're down to earth. Got an ounce of perp if you're down to burn. You got a plan and you're still in school, or you got a man, but that shit
Now
is
it starts to
cool.
look like a chow mein.
Yum, yum, yum.
Don't stay for the love, don't stay for the life. Know my name, then say it to me twice. Let me hear that shit, let me see that shit. You could be the one if you want it.
Back to the spring rolls again. So now we're sealing the edges of the wrappers with some corn flour and egg, and then we're going to spoon in a mixture of the filling, and now it's time to roll it up. Lorna makes this look very easy, but it's very difficult. These are some thick spring rolls, by the looks of it. Lorna's being very generous with the portion sizes here.
I won't just go and take home anyone. I'm about you, girl. See, I don't know you at all, but I'm about it. If you bout it, don't give a fuck. If you're involved, 'cause I'm about it.
And here the spring rolls ready to be fried later. So the next footage I basically lost. I just cut up some chicken and dipped it in corn flour and egg, and also cut up some onions and peppers. So now we're just heating up a wok with some groundnut oil, and we're going to fry off the rice. We're also going to add in some peas. Now we're going to season it with some oyster sauce and some light soy sauce.
See, I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it. If you bout it, don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it. If you bout
That's the egg fried rice done. Now we're going to deep fry the salt and pepper chicken. There's a lot of oil in there. Lorna is terrified of frying in oil. That's the salt and pepper chicken, looking very good, and the egg fried rice, both looking delicious. Now we're heating the wok to 160 degrees to deep fry the spring rolls. Also in the background we are frying off the peppers and onions for the salt and pepper chicken.
that shit was true. Just tell me how it is, how you want it. If you're down, want a summit, I got plans and you're one of them. Not trying to
Split them bad boys. They're looking a little bit well done, but the second batch turned out really good.
If you bout it, don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it. If you bout it,
now I'm going to add the fried chicken back into the onions and peppers. I'm going to season that with some Chinese fried spice, some black pepper and some salt, and then add a splash of water, and that's good to go. Last but not least, just got to fry the prawn toast. As you're seeing, there's so much prep and cooking that goes into making these meals, but they do taste and look great. There's so much oil though, you use literally like 4 bottles of oil. So that's everything done. I think you would agree, it does look incredible. Hope you guys enjoyed this style of video. If you want to see more like this, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Join the McMinion army. Speak to you guys in a bit.
So guys, finally done cooking. That is a long day of cooking to prepare all this, but it looks amazing. Lorna's done a great job. It was mainly her, as you would have seen in the clips. I'll do a quick taste test, and then me and Lorna get tucking into this. I'll start with the prawn toast since it's here. Look at the colour of that toast though. Ooh.
Crispy.
Crispies. Right.
Like this
Very
one
good.
is?
Very good, yeah.
Right, what next?
Next, going over spring roll.
Big spring rolls.
Big spring rolls, that's how you do it. I'm going to take one of the smaller ones to start with. Oh, smells good. Right, listen for the crunch. Wow. They're better than the Chinese. Yes, oh my god.
And cheaper.
So much flavour. Wow. Okay. It's too much chocolate. Right, I'm going to go with chow mein next. Chow mein is my favourite thing from the Chinese, so it's got a lot of hype to live up to. Oh my god. I think it's the sesame oil. You've seen us adding that to everything. That gives it that Chinese flavour, doesn't it? That Chinese takeaway flavour. Right, let's go a bit of a rice. It's just a fried rice. We haven't got any egg in it. Oh my god. Then to finish it up, we've got salt and pepper chicken. I think this is probably a lot of people's favourite thing from the Chinese. Wow. All of that is amazing. If I'm going to rank it in what's the best. Spring rolls at the top. They're amazing. Salt and pepper chicken. Oh, it's close between these two. I'm going to go with the chow mein because I do tend to prefer chow mein. Egg fried rice. Prawn toast.
Prawn toast.
If you guys want to know what recipes we used to make all this, it was the, I believe it's Gok Wan. No, not Gok Wan. Brooklyn Wan.
No. order book. Just
I'll put the book
don't
up here. But really good. It's got everything you'd want from the Chinese takeaway, and yeah, it's amazing. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this style of video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe, join the McMinion army, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Hold up, did you really think I'm bad at it? Say she wanna leave, but it's way too crowded. But I'll vibe with you, I'm playing games, I ain't trying to lose.